Hello children, I Rachna Shrivastava welcome you all in the e-learning class of Divine Public School. Children, there are 5 vowels in English alphabet: A, E, I, O and U. In your previous video, you have already learnt words of vowel A. Now I am going to teach you the words of vowel E. Children, this is your English book, Work on Language. Now open page number 16. Lesson 7, vowel E. The short sound of vowel E in words says as in hen, hen, egg, jet, neck, neck. Now, let's learn some word families with short sound of vowel. En, den, den, ten, pen, men. Say again. den, den, ten, pen, men. Now, other family is et. Et is et. Pet, jet, jet, met, wet. Again, et, pet, jet, jet, met, wet. Now, other family is ed. Ed, bed, red, wed, shed. Ed, bed, red, wed, shed. Other family is eg. Eg is egg. Egg, beg, leg, leg, keg, peg. Egg, beg, leg, leg, keg, peg. Now, est, nest, rest, rest, fest, vest, west, est, nest, nest, rest, fest, vest, west. ELL, WELL, well, BELL, bell, FELL, fell, SHELL, shell. Repeat again. ELL, WELL, well, BELL, bell, FELL, fell, SHELL, shell. Let's read and understand. BED, bed, RED, red, BED, bed, a bed, a red bed. PET, pet, WET, wet, PET, pet, a pet, a wet pet. BELL, bell, on, THE, the, WELL, well, a bell on the well. KEY, key, INNTHE, the, PEG, peg. A key, A key in the peg. Number 18. Look at the pictures and encircle the correct word to name them. This is the picture of jet. Here it is written Jet, jet, Pet, pet. So we will put circle around jet. Shed, shed, bed, bed. This is the picture of bed. So put circle here. Nest, nest, vest, vest. This is nest. So we will circle here. This is the picture of bell. Well, well, bell, bell. So encircle here. This is the picture of den. Den, den, pen, pen. Like this. Neck, neck, check, check. So picture is of neck. Neck, neck. Read the given words aloud and write them against the correct word family. Children, you have not learnt a small letter like this. I taught you to write capital letter, so here you will write in capital letters. ENN. Look at these words. TEN, 10. TEN, 10. And other word DEN, 10. DEN, den. EST. See which word ends with EST? Here BEST. So write BEST, best. REST, rest. REST, rest. EG, egg. KEG, keg. KEG, keg. Other word which ends with EG. PEG, peg. PEG, peg. Now ET. Let's see. ET. WET, wet. WET, wet. And other word is MET, met. MET, met. ELL. FELL, fell. FELL, fell. And which is the other word? ELL. SHELL, shell. SHELL, shell. ED, ed. WED, wed. WED, wed. And which is the other word? Like wed. SHED, shed. SHED, shed. Now this is complete. Page number 19. Match the group of words with the correct picture. This is the picture of pet. And here picture of bed. See what is written here. A-R-E-D, red, B-E-D, bed. A red bed. So match with this bed. A wet pet. Match it like this. Draw lines to connect the vowel E to the pictures having the sound of E in their names. Children, see, here you have to match the picture of vowel E with the letter E. So let's start. See, this is the picture of van. V-A-N, van. Van is the word of A sound. So you will not match with E. P-E-N, pen. Pen is the word of E sound. So match it like this. This way, with the help of your parents, you will complete this exercise. Number 1. Read and learn the spelling of E sound words given on page number 16 and 17. Number 2. Do the exercise given on page number 19 with the help of your parents. Thank you.